Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Fuck it. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Bring your jackets, your blankets. It's cold. I just turned on the heat in Playa del Carmen. It's 15 degrees. That's 59 Fahrenheit. Today we're going fishing again. We're heading out early in the morning. It's 10 past 7 and we are getting ready. In the back you see Santiago taking some pictures, and over there our boat. Luis is preparing the baits, and our captain Alejandro is taking care of us. Se para la música cuando está ahí chingado. In case you are wondering about tsunamis because of earthquakes in Honduras, everything is fine here. We're hoping the people in Honduras did not suffer that much and everything is doing well there as well. Here the ocean is the quietest since a couple of days. Playa in the background. As you can see, the ocean is really lovely, very flat. We're just going back, finishing up our fishing trip. We're only one barracuda doing trawling, and I just wanted to share with you that the ocean is really beautiful today. There's hardly any wind, a couple of clouds. There are no clouds there, right on the other side there are a couple of clouds. Anyway, see you guys. Bella essa fura.